Man CD.
Classroom.
울퉁불퉁 멋진 몸매
Emergency Alert Alerty d'Urgence is a test of the Ontario Alert Ready system. There is no danger to your health or safety. If this was an actual emergency, you would now hear instructions for protecting yourself. For more information about emergency alerts, please visit www.alertready.ca. Mommy Daddy Come On plays.
Mommy Daddy Come On plays.
Mommy Daddy Come On plays. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always street. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Report large hail, damaging winds or flooding to your county sheriff, or call the National Weather Service. Toll-free 1-877-633-6772. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4:00 p.m. as Friday afternoon for East Central Georgia and Central South Carolina. Canada Radio.
Next.
YouTube.
Ice cream truck grounded. Go to home right now.
That's it. Grounded. Go to room right now.